ECDL Advanced Excel Lesson 91 Tracing Errors. Auditing tools can be used to trace an error back to the source cell or source cells that cause the error. Tracing errors is similar to tracing precedents, but should only be used on cells that show an error value. Okay, let's open Audit Trail again. This time, if we display the accounts sheet, cells that contain errors are displayed with a hash symbol. Select cell E11 and in the Formulas tab, in the Formula Auditing section, click the Error Checking drop-down. Select Trace Error. Selecting this option with the active cell not containing an error results in an error message being displayed. This is a smart tag. A smart tag is displayed next to the cell containing the error. Double-click the arrow to highlight the cell causing the error, and at this point cell C11 is made active. The error in E11 is the result of the target sales cell, that's C11, not being completed. Comments can be attached to cells that need an explanation of the contents. With cell C11 still active, display the Review tab and click the New Comment button. Enter the comment, "Do not leave this cell blank." And then click Post. Enter the number 40 in cell C11. And now we'll find that the error has been resolved. To remove all tracer arrows, on the Formulas tab, click the Remove Arrows button from the Formula Auditing group. All the tracer arrows on the active worksheet are now removed. Display the Sales sheet. Cells containing errors can be identified by displaying the precedence of cells. Click on cell H23 and display the precedence. The correct range B23 to G23 is shown. Click in cell H21 and trace the precedence. The range is short, B21 to D21, as shown by the blue border. Amend the formula in H21 to B21 to G21. Which will now be the correct range. Let's look at that again. Trace precedence, and now it's all the way from B21 to G21. Okay, let's remove all the tracer arrows. Save the workbook as Audit Trail 2, as we will need it for the next lesson, which will be lesson 92, when we will discuss data validation. Okay, I hope this has made sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.